Hello everyone, I warmly welcome to JKL Maths. I am Lakshmikant. Today I am going to discuss this problem. N square minus n cube is equal to 150. Then find the n value. Now transpose 150 from RHS to LHS. Then this equation will be n square minus n cube minus 150 is equal to 0. Here n square minus n cube. This 150 we can write as minus 125 minus 25 is equal to 0. Here n square minus n cube. Minus 125 we can write as minus 5 cube. This 25 we can write as minus 5 square is equal to 0. Here write this equation as n square. This 5 square right here minus 5 square minus n cube minus 5 cube is equal to 0. Here n square minus 5 square, take common minus, then n cube plus 5 cube is equal to, now expand. Here n plus 5 into n minus 5 minus of, here a plus b means n plus 5 into here n square plus 5 square 5n is equal to 0. Now take common n plus 5 from these two terms, then n plus 5 into here n minus 5. Now multiply minus into this equation, minus into n square minus n square minus into 5 square is 25, so minus 25. Here minus into minus plus 5n is equal to 0. Here n plus 5 into here minus n square plus n plus 5n 6n. Here minus 25 minus 5 minus 30 is equal to 0. Now n plus 5 into, take common minus from this from this equation, then here write minus n square minus 6n plus 30 is equal to 0. Both sides multiply with minus, then n minus into minus plus, so n plus 5 n square minus 6n plus 30 is equal to 0. Now we can write this one, n plus 5 is equal to 0 and n square minus 6n plus 30 is equal to 0. Now find the roots of this equation by using quadratic equation formula. N is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here b is minus 6, so 6 plus minus into minus plus 6 plus or minus, here b is 6, 6 square 36 minus 4, a is 1 into 1, c is 30 by 2 into 1. Here n is equal to 6 plus or minus 36, 4 1 ja 4, 4 30 ja 120 by 2 into 1 2. So n is equal to 6 plus or minus square root minus 84 by 2. N is equal to 6 plus or minus minus 84 we can write as 4 into 21 into minus 1. Here minus 1 is equal to I square by 2. N is equal to 6 plus or minus square root 4 means 2 root 21 minus I means I square. I square value is I by 2. Now take common 2. N is equal to 2 of 3 plus or minus square root 21 I by 2 cancel, so n is equal to 3 plus or minus square root 21i, and here n is equal to plus 5 transpose from LHS to RHS. This will be n is equal to minus 5. So n values are minus 5 common, comma 3 plus square root 21i, 3 minus square root 21i. This is the answer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Share this video with your friends.